We live? We're
Yep.
live. Folks, we're making ourselves a pizza oven today. We've been wanting to do it for a while. We're pumped. We got the idea from Chef Steps YouTube. Check them out. It's a cool page. They made a custom outdoor pizza oven for dirt cheap. We're gonna try to recreate it at home and see if it works just as good as it did in that video. Two things you need: about 50 of these bricks, 48 cents a piece, and then 2 of these bad boys back here. Check them out. A couple paw prints on them. Chief already tried to jump in the car. Those are $6 a piece. Comes out to like 36 bucks. If this thing works, I mean, people pay lots of money for pizza ovens. We might have ourselves one for under $40. So let's get into it. Alright, we found the perfect spot for this pizza oven right outside the camper. You don't need a lot of room. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have a nice even ground. If you have a level, that's great. If you don't, just wing it. That's what we did. To us, that's what makes it fun. You just wing it and see what happens. So, second thing you're going to do is you're going to put 3 bricks in the back and 2 on the side and build a stack of 4 up from there. And then you're going to take your big paver, put that on top, and then we'll go from there. So check it out. We are putting our first big paver on. This is where your pizza is going to lay. If you noticed, I staggered the bricks. Get this on, it's going to... Let's see if this works. I'm going to see if I can just lay this down. These bricks just come right up. Always wear gloves. That's the reason. the bricks didn't line up, you can move them around once you get the paver on, or the whatever this thing's called. So now you're gonna want to bring it up so you have a little vent in the back. If you don't have the vent in the back, there's no way for that heat to come up over the pizza. So what we're going to do is we're going to place 2 bricks right here to create a smaller vent. We don't need such a big vent. And then we're going to close it in around and go from there. Let's see it. Super simple. Let's see if it works. We need some wood, some dough, some toppings, maybe some wine. I don't know, we gotta hit the store. Let's go. Alright folks, we are ready to fire up this pizza oven for the first time. We're excited. We got the dough inside, the fixings ready to roll. But first we got to get this fire going. Now a little trick of the trade here, I actually learned from YouTube a couple years ago. So you take a little piece of paper and you soak it in some olive oil, and there's your fire starter. It burns really, really slow, so it doesn't go out too quick. Put it in the middle of your pieces of wood. Next thing you know, you got yourself a fire. So, get it going. All right, this fire is started. It's a couple minutes in. Still pretty cool, but this thing is going to come in handy because we want to get this thing up to like 700-800 degrees, the hottest we can get it. And this infrared thermometer, which you can buy on Amazon, put the link in the description below. It's like 23 bucks. It really comes in handy. You just shoot it right there. As you can see, it's like 88 degrees right now. Still a long, 92, just crawling up. So yeah, comes in handy for something like this. So. Something else you're going to need for this project is a pizza peel. So you put your pizza on the top, and we found this on Amazon, again, like 25 bucks. We'll put the link in the description as well. It's 9 inches, so it's a little smaller than the typical one. Actually a lot smaller. So it fits perfectly. Get it in, slide it out. And hopefully we have some good pizza. 2 in 1. Oh my, look at that.
That's good.
Well, it came out almost just like we thought it up. Look at that. Oh my God. So good. You guys got to try this. Get out there if you're feeling like it. Make one of these suckers, have a good time. And cheers. Woo! Yeah.